Welcome to PixieTube, and in this tutorial we are going to learn how you will be able to prevent people from adding you to groups that you have not authorized them to add you to. Get your WhatsApp and download the latest version of WhatsApp. If you are on iOS, type WhatsApp, and if there's an update, you see that updates. All right, but I think there's no update, so you don't have to. There's no update for me, so I don't have to do it. And then if you're on Android, the same thing applies. You just search for WhatsApp. Just search for WhatsApp, and if there's an update for you, you should see. You see, in this case, there's an update. All right, if you're on WhatsApp, there's an update, so you just update it first. Go to your settings. Just update it first. Go to accounts. Go to privacy, and then you will see groups. Type on groups. Then it's saying who can add me to groups. So in my case, I've chosen my contacts, which means that it's only those people I have stored their names on my phone that can add me to any group. But when you change it to everyone, that means that even if the person is not even on your phone, you don't even know the person can add you. And even with the contacts, you can even give an exception that you want some specific people. You don't want them to add you to their groups. So it's very important. I have put mine to my contact, and since then I have not seen anyone adding me to. So when the installation is done, just open it, and then you go to settings, and then account, then privacy, and then you see, scroll down, see groups, and then choose it to my contacts only.